News Philippines Online.
The community is providing decent home for Filipino people. Bakit po kabuhayan, kabahayan at kabuhayan ang slogan ng aming Cocolan Homes and Country Farms? Dahil dito po, ang proyektong pabahay ay kinukonsidera ang kabuhayan sa loob ng kabahayan.
Sir, thank you very much for the time and effort.
In order to defend it, you have to believe in it. In the same manner that if you're going to accomplish a mission, you have to believe in yourself first.